How to use Shazam to find upcoming concert dates. So if you're trying to look up the upcoming concerts inside of your or near your location, what you simply do is head over to the concerts tab by simply swiping left, and you'll be taken to the concerts tab, and you can see all of the concerts that are available. You can also add in you can also search for all locations, or you can also do near me, so that it only shows you the concerts that are happening near you. Make sure you toggle on the location on your device so that it shows you all of the concerts that are happening. If you come across a concert that you're trying to attend, you can simply tap open it and look for different details such as date as well as tickets. In order to buy tickets through this platform, you can simply tap on it and you'll be able to view the option called tickets, and using various ticketing platforms you'll be able to purchase tickets for this particular concert. So by using this exact process and using Shazam, you can find upcoming concert dates. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.